4. The next question is, a grandfather is 10 times older than his granddaughter. He is also 54 years older than her. Find their present age. So what is the relation given? The grandfather is 10 times older than his granddaughter. So let us think that let the age of granddaughter is equal to x. What will be the grandfather's age then? 10 times. So age of grandfather is equal to 10x. Now what is the relation between these two ages? He is also 54 years older than her. That means this is the age of the granddaughter and this is the age of the grandfather. This is 54 more than x. So what is given? Given x plus 54 is equal to 10x. So take this x to that side. 54 is equal to 10x minus x, which is equal to 9x. That is 9x is equal to 54. So x is equal to 54 upon 9, which is equal to 6. So what is the question? Find their present age. So age of the daughter, age of granddaughter is equal to 6 years and age of grandfather is 10 times more than that, 10x, that is equal to 60 multiplied by 10, that is 60 years. So what is the age of the granddaughter? Granddaughter is 6-year-old and the grandfather is 60 years old. The next question is question number 8. Half of a herd of deer are grazing in the field and 3/4 of them, the remaining, are playing nearby. The rest of 9 are drinking water from the pond. Find the number of deer in the herd. Herd means a group. Okay, a group of deer. All of them are there in the jungle. Half of them are grazing. So what I did here is, let us think, this is the complete group. So half of them are here. Here there are half. Okay. In the field, and 3/4 of the remaining. What are the remaining? This half. Okay. This half is again divided into 4 parts and then take 3 out of it. So 1, 2 and 3, or any 3 you can take. Okay, 1, 2, 3. This part, what are they doing? Are playing nearby. So first half, what they are doing? Grazing. They are grazing. First half grazing. 3/4 of the remaining, what are they doing? They are playing. So this part is playing. 9 are the remaining. What are they doing? Drinking water. So this part is 9. What are they doing? Drinking water. Now we are asked to find out how many deer are there all together. So we don't know how many are there. So what we will do? Take it as x. So let the total number of deer is equal to x. Now half of x are grazing. So half or grazing, how many are grazing? Half x. Now how many are playing? 3/4 of the remaining. If half are grazing, how many are remaining? So let us find out that. Remaining is equal to, see, from 1x, if you take half x, what is remaining? Half x. Now it's half x 3/4. So 3/4 of remaining is 3/4 into half x. That is equal to 3/8 x are plain. What will be the remaining? What part of this? What part of the whole is this? If you look at the picture also, you will get. Here you see 1, 2, 3, 4. Similarly, here also you can find out 4. So 4 plus 4, 8. From that, how many part is this? 1 part. Or else from here also you can find out. Part of total drinking water. How many are there? From x, how many to remove? First to remove half x and then to remove 3/8x. So that is x minus, this will be 2 4s. So 4 plus 3, 7 upon 8x, which is equal to 8 ones are 8, 8 minus 7, 1 upon 8x. 1 upon 8x are drinking water. So what is given? 1 upon 8x is equal to 9. Then what is the value of x? X is equal to 9 multiplied by 8, which is equal to 72. Therefore, the total number of deer is equal to 72. Of the whole total, 9 is 1/8. So 1/8 of the total is 9. So what will be the total? That is 9 8s are 72. With this question, this exercise gets over. In the next video, we will start with a new concept, that is reducing equation into simpler form, and its applications are there in 2.5. Okay, thank you.